So this is today's job. We're on another knock through. We're going to be putting a steel in here where the original opening is, but just making it slightly wider. We've also got to take out the kitchen and also level off the floor. So we're taking up this floor and we want it to marry up to that floor over there. We're having a brand new kitchen here, so all of that just wants to get ripped out today. And then we've got this big opening here with a 1 foot thick wall. We're taking this reveal back to here, cutting all the way up, letting in for a padstone there, and then installing a steel 200mm higher than the original head height. So we have taken the kitchen out, didn't take too long. Taped up all the doors, and we are now going to start working on getting the steel in. So you can see this is going to be my steel saw cut, my plumb line, which I've already done. It's 9 meters 10. It's 9.10 back from that current reveal. We've got our padstone sitting there. Now this is a 9-inch wall, so the padstone, rather than sit this way, is going that way to bridge both off the skins of brickwork. And you can also see where our steel is going to go. I'm going to start taking all the plaster off so I can actually see what we're doing. I've sent Big Jake to go get 4 more acrows, 4 more strongboys, so we can prop not only this side but the other side. So we've just done our steel saw cuts. We've cut the actual new opening back to there, cut the padstone where the padstone is going to be going, also cut this side as well, so you can see we've got all of our cuts done. It was one of them, it was either make a load of dust and struggle in this poorly ventilated room, or use some water suppression. Water suppression is sometimes a bit messier, but I'd rather keep the dust down really, because we've got to work in here. So what we're going to do now is start stripping off all of the plaster so I can actually see what I'm dealing with, find all the cables, and then we'll start knocking all the bricks. I need to get the acrows in and the strongboys. Jake's coming with an extra 4 off both, so just going to get stuck in, make a bit more dust. I just need more. We had all the time in the world, now I just need more. I just need more. We've done our knock through, ready for the strongboys to go in here. Now, because we're having a whole new floor, since this one dips about 25mm and we've not really got any significant sleeper walls under these floor joists, what were done 35 years ago, we're ripping all this up, all the floor joists, and we're installing all the new sleeper walls and everything. So I'm actually going to pull up these floor joists now, or at least the floorboards, and sit the acrows on a solid base. I've got a concrete base here. So I've just set the circular saw to the correct depth. So if there are any cables or pipes, fingers crossed I won't go through them, because I've definitely not done that before. So we're going to do this. The lad's going to set the acrows and strongboys up to prop this side. I'll do the same on the other side. Absolutely fly.
Make me work, make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive. Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones slow you down, 'cause I'm coming up strong. Grass should have looked greener. I need you.
So we've got the acrows in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's another one around the corner. So we've got 8 acrows in supporting the wall. It's actually not a 9-inch wall, it's 2 4-inch walls put together. So we've got 4 padstones to sit there. So 1 here, 1 on the other side, and 2 over there. So right now we're going to start smashing this wall. Everything's propped and proper sturdy. So I think we should be good. Just start going crazy.
Girl, you best believe me behind, 'cause I'm over easy tonight.
absolutely with the lintel here. So we're going to continue taking the top few courses off, remove this lintel, and then we'll edge our way like we are doing here to take the rest of that out. What I like to do when I do a knock through, probably not most of the time when I've got a big wall, I mean when I've got a massive opening, but take away the wall in like a C section. So I take away here, take away there, and then that allows that to drop. So I kind of let gravity do the work for me. It's not going too bad, bit messy, bit dusty, but not too bad whatsoever. We're going to get the steels in a little while. Just got to take the rest of this out, pad stones on, steels in, off we go.
I'll put that one to get rid of the fish shit.
Okay.
Oh wow. So that's pretty much all you, Jake. Alright, brother. Really good stuff.
So we've got all the pockets sorted for the pad stones to go in and the steels to pretty much go on. Right now I'm just throwing a little mix on, and once I've got this mixed I'll dob the 4 pad stones on. It's 4:15 at the moment. God, I look knackered. I am knackered. Did a 17k yesterday run and then worked late and then up this morning at 5, non-stop at the moment, but yeah, gonna get these steels in and then big tidy up out of here. And it there. 2 seconds. Yeah. Okay. It should go. Okay, nice one. Nice. Pretty good. Really nice. Good stuff. Up. In she goes. Beautiful. Really nice there, boys. Beautiful teamwork. Nice. So if you come here. Very nice. Really good. It's nice. Good stuff. If you come this way, I'm not going to take all that stuff. You already know. And then little Jake goes stand on top of that ladder, or stand on the ladder. Pass that to Jake. Nice. So we don't have to do anything with it yet, Jake. We've got to rest it down. That one just calm down. I'm just going to put mine on my ladder. Yeah, so. Okay, I'm just going to slide to me a little bit. Cancel. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Happy? Yeah. Okay. Well, pretty much good for a bit, yeah, for a lift, and we'll see how we get on. Yeah. Jake, if you support.
Probably Isaac's small.
So probably here. Up onto your forearm, and then we'll figure it out, yeah? Okay, 2 seconds, I'm in a really weird angle. Okay. Oh, fuck. 2 seconds. Yeah, we've got to come back down. That's it. plaster blocking in. Yeah. Past toolbox.
Yeah. See what you're saying.
Okay, happy?
Yep.
Okay. Yep. Are you on?
I'm struggling with the
Height.
yeah, just because of the strong boy.
Okay. We'll come back down. Okay. Okay, I need to
Lift
lift
up
up for a minute
Yeah.
because I'm stuck. Okay. Fuck. Yes, back down we go.
It's because of the
You got strong boy anyway.
yeah. It's
Jesus Christ.
yeah.
I am millimetres away. Okay, we gotta come back down. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ.
Fuck me.
It's ever so slightly. I just need like. Probably just need more now. I just need a bit more of a push.
Yeah.
Put that on my knee. Okay. Up together. Up together. Up together.
Okay. So I'm with, but on. That's pushing against. Can't go any higher.
Okay. It's the strong boys.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Back.
Yeah. It's the strong boys there.
That's it.
Sorry.
It's the strong boys because they're bent. Jesus Christ.
So
Oh, that's hard work.
yeah.
Close but no biscuit today. Too tired. And we had to spend too much time cleaning up. So, tomorrow, I'm just going to whip the beds off those pad stones, cut the brick down a little bit what it's sitting under, put them back on. We only need like 15 mil, but it's not got the room. So we'll do that tomorrow. And I'll catch up with you then.
We're going with this.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm on as well.
Nice.
That was so much easier.
So much easier.
Okay, you go on. Okay, I'm on.
Wish I could wear peace like this shirt on my back.
Oh wow. There we go. There we go. So we've pretty much just wrapped up. We've taken all of the acrows and strong boys out. We've created a lovely big opening so now the clients can have a very nice big open plan kitchen combined with their dining room. So the steels went in a lot easier this morning with some fresh heads and fresh bodies. Right now we're going to take this floor up, put some sleeper walls in and put some brand new joists in and some new flooring, but for now that's where we're leaving it. Another steel job boxed off. We'll catch you in a bit.
Oh yeah. What could be or what am I doing? Second guessing every move I make. I wanna trust myself, love myself, believe in myself like I used to.
Right, there we go. So we had a bit of a day of joinery while it's been throwing it down. We put in 3 new sleeper walls. On top of that went 450mm tray because we laid block flat. We then ran our joists across, knobbed all of them out, made sure to leave ventilation underneath this floor. We then put a couple of roofing battens on the bottom of the floor joist, 100mm kingspan insulation, and then went over the top with our chipboard. So this is all ready to hand over to the plasterer tomorrow and then the kitchen fitter.